Welcome back to Cooking with Thatown2. Today we're making blackened salmon. We start out with the blackening seasoning. We took basil, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, thyme, coriander, chili, paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper, and then mixed all these ingredients together. I realized that I didn't add enough paprika and onion powder. Paprika and chili powder, so I added some more and then mixed that together. We took our salmon and added it to a baking sheet and covered it with olive oil to mix it into both sides, top and bottom, so that the seasonings would stick to the fish. We then poured the seasoning and patted it all over both sides of the fish so it would stick. And then it was ready to fry it. We took some olive oil and put it in the pan, heated the pan up, and then placed in our fish, skin side up. I had to heat it about medium high and fry it for about 3-4 minutes per side. Seasoning stuck pretty well to the fish. Should have used a spatula to flip them, but hey. We then took some butter and placed it in the pan to continue the cooking process. After we checked the temperature, once the temperature got to about 145 degrees, we then took it out of the pan. I forgot to add some lemon juice to the fish and ended up adding that later after we took it out of the pan. And this was our final product. The blackening seasoning got a good crust on the fish, and the seasoning was able to penetrate all throughout the fish, and the fish remained flaky and moist. I hope you guys are able to try this recipe out. Please like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy.